what are you doing? Get back from the weapon! Shooter! Cease fire! Get back from your weapon right now!
Yes, sir.
Is Master Sergeant. I work for a living. You call me Marcus. No ears, eyes. We stopped shooting 10 minutes ago, man. What are you doing?
Sorry. Kinda got away from me is all.
Where you serve?
2 tours. Kandar. Helmand.
3. 1 in Helmand. That place sucked.
Yeah.
First time shooting since you got back?
Been back 6 months. But this don't feel like home.
Yeah. That part takes a while. I got one of those too.
I don't know what to do with it.
I didn't either.
My brothers are still over there fighting. I should be with them, but... I mean, do I look disabled to you?
Your brothers are here too. And they're hurting too. It's the same war. It's just a different battlefield. Look. We can hang back, shoot a few rounds, take it easy, keep it safe.
You ain't gotta babysit me, man.
Not babysit. Just watching your 6.
Hoorah.
Eyes. Ears. One mag, 5 rounds. Just take it slow. Fire. Not bad for a grunt. Fire.